guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be system test 48. I thought it was 42, but you'll see that in the outtake. I'm way behind on stuff. I am so sorry I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. School. And I'm just kind of lazy, because, you know, school's a lot, and yeah. But I'm not failing anything, so that's the good thing. And I have a long weekend coming up, so maybe I'll make some videos. I don't know. I'm actually in between classes right now, because why not? So, you know, I have some time, so let's do a video. So, we have my Edwards 270 SPO. Y'all have seen this a lot in recent videos, I guess. Well, not really recent, but past videos. We have my Edwards Integrity Remote Strobe. I took the fire lettering from the chime strobe and put it on this thing, which you might guess what's coming next. The chime strobe with the emergency lettering. I think it looks pretty cool. Actually, I think this is going to be the thumbnail right here. Got a picture. So yeah, this is the Edwards Integrity chime strobe. It looks new because of the marking, but no, it's not. Not at all. This thing's made in like 90 something. And that's just there because I forgot to take it down, and I didn't want to. So, yeah. Again, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, just haven't really gotten to it. So, anyway, let's pull this thing down. That sounded weird. Let's pull for fire. Okay, now I'll take this thing and do the I3. No, I didn't get it. There we go. Alright, so I think that's the entire system. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this relatively short video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to a video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be system test. What system test is this? Like 42? Something like that. Maybe I'll... I should have looked this up. Okay, this will be an outtake.